Supercharge your coding workflow by seamlessly integrating Deepseek's powerful AI directly into your Visual Studio Code environment. First, open Visual Studio Code and navigate to the Extensions view in the search bar, type Deepseek AI and locate the official extension. Click to install it. Once installed, you'll need to configure the extension. This typically involves adding your Deepseek API key. You can find instructions on obtaining your API key from the Deepseek website, usually within the extension's documentation. After your API key is successfully set up, you're ready to leverage Deepseek's intelligence. Start by opening a code file. As you begin to type, you'll immediately notice intelligent code completion suggestions appearing dynamically. These aren't just basic auto-completions. Deepseek offers context-aware suggestions, anticipating your needs and providing relevant code snippets, functions, and variable names. Beyond just completion, Deepseek actively assists in identifying potential errors and code quality issues. Look for subtle visual cues or pop-up hints that indicate areas where your code might be improved or contain bugs. You can also explicitly ask Deepseek for assistance. Many integrations offer a command palette option or a right-click context menu to generate code, explain existing code snippets, or suggest refactorings and optimizations. By consistently utilizing these AI-powered features, you'll experience a significant boost in productivity, writing better code faster and with fewer errors. Embrace the future of coding with Deepseek in Visual Studio Code and unlock a new level of efficiency and code quality.